Insta Print is a printable heat transfer vinyl available at imprintables.com. It's super easy to weed and apply, and it dries instantly. I'm Ashley with Imprintables Warehouse, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about Insta Print and how to apply it. If you've used any of our printable heat transfer vinyl before, you'll know it's really similar to EcoPrint, which can be used with eco-solvent and solvent inks. It can be applied to cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends, and it has a very similar mill or material thickness. But what makes Insta Print unique is that it dries virtually instantly. You can literally print, cut, weed, and apply. Okay, so we've created our design in Adobe Illustrator. We've imported it to Roland VersaWorks, and we went ahead and set it to a VersaCam. Okay, we used our sheet cut feature and cut off our material. And as you can see, it's already dry. We can touch it, feel it, and we're going to be ready to mask it. Okay, so now that I have my design printed, I actually went ahead and weeded it and masked it. So it's all set to be applied. So before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and change out my 16 by 20 platen. Okay, so because we're using a women's small V-neck tee, we're going to go ahead and change out our standard 16 by 20 platen and replace it with our 11 by 15 platen. That way we can thread the garment much easier and we don't have to worry about white marks when we're heat pressing. So go ahead and use my quick latch, pull it up. All right, and we're ready to go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and thread our garment on here. And you'll want to make sure that when you're doing things like a V-neck, that you don't have the actual V-neck on the pressing surface. This will cause white marks to show up on your garment. So you want to make sure that you have at least the tip of the V just below that edge right there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this just for a couple seconds just to get any wrinkles out. Okay, make sure it's nice and cleared off. And now we can go ahead and apply our design. Get that lined up as best you can. Cover it with my cover sheet. And we're going to put this on for 15 seconds. Alright, this is a warm peel, so I'm just going to give it 1 or 2 seconds to cool down. Okay, we can go ahead and remove the carrier. Okay, so we're all done, and you can see it has a really great soft hand. It's a little bit softer than our EcoPrint and our QuickPrint. Because it has such a thinner mill or thinner material, it will give you that screen printed look on any garment.